All right, workplace violence. First the story and then what you can do if it happens to you. This is Sebastian's story. A few years ago, I was assaulted by a coworker. One morning as I entered the building, he started yelling at me. His face was inches from mine while he was pushing me toward the wall. Once against the wall, I started to push back. That was when he yelled, "Oh, that's what you want to do?" and started to grab at me. When we were done, he had a red mark on his face where I had punched him, and some of his buttons had been torn off his shirt. Although I was upset and in shock, I had no injury and my clothes were fine. And in the story, we were both fired. Sebastian, thank you for sharing. I'm sorry this happened to you, but we can all learn from this. Immediately after an attack, write down your perceptions, not facts, perceptions of what you think you felt, saw, heard, and did. Don't say a word to anyone until you do. Next, the reality is you're launching into a new kind of war. Your attacker, they just became irrelevant. They're just one piece of a much larger picture. The real war now is against your employer. Now, your weapons are cold logic. Your emotions, they cannot help you. If you cannot support something with evidence, you don't say it, you don't do it. Always use the lowest energy response at all times. Everything that you think you want to do, everything that you feel is right or moral or just, is only going to hurt your case. Everything that you don't want to do is what you need to do. Now, it sounds crazy. What's missing here is the plan that puts it all together. And don't worry, we got you covered. Now, let's back up a bit. During the attack, many of us, we submit, we do nothing. Now, that is not a weakness. Here's what's going on. As bad as the attack is, we do nothing because what we're hoping for is that at least things won't get worse. If we just take it, things won't get worse. Sebastian's mistake was punching. When you leave a mark, that's bad. But there are better ways to defend yourself anyway, so don't worry. We're going to show you how. The truth is, you have a duty to defend yourself. You must defend yourself. That is truly the only way you're going to be able to live with yourself into the future. Now, let's back up a little bit more. If you think the danger is close, get a portable security camera or a body cam. They're dirt cheap these days. Don't worry about which brand is the best. Just get one and try it. That body cam, that's going to be your eyewitness. Now, let's back up even more. You are more in control than they want you to believe. You can shut down most attacks just by doing something we call naming the demon. It is a structured way to disrupt your attacker up here. They go from thinking that they're going to teach you a lesson to being worried about their own safety if they get too close. See, a bully, they're looking for certainty that they're going to get what they want, and you're going to take that away from them. And let's be clear on something. If you are ever attacked, it is not your fault. It is somebody's fault, and you're going to take care of that for sure. My name is Andrew. I developed a strange little self-defense course originally for my daughter, and now I'd like to share it with you. If nobody else is helping you, message me right now.